What's up, my friends? I want to show you this flint and steel kit that we got from Amazon that we're having so much fun using. Me and my boy are huge fans of Survivor, and we wanted to know what it would be like to start fires with flint and steel. So we went ahead and bought this kit. It comes with your flint and steel brick. And then it also comes with a steel striker that has a nice little plastic handle on it right there. And then it comes with a little bit of paracord that can help and assist in making your fire. You can actually unravel this paracord and use the rope that's inside to as kindling for your fire. This is really easy to use. So you can basically, you can scrape the magnesium off of the brick of this, and then the round part is your flint. So what you would do is you would get your scraper and you would scrape. You can see those little pieces of flint coming, or not flint, sorry, magnesium coming off of the brick. You want to get a good pile of those shavings on your kindling, and then you can switch it over to the flint side, the round side right here. And all you have to do is find an edge on the steel and just push it down like that and start to make sparks, and you just point it towards your area that you're striking on fire. It's really nice because it's put together by this little nylon string. Everything is intact, and we've just had a blast using these over and over again. I mean, we've had these for a couple weeks and we've really worn down the flint on them. You can see that right there. And it's been a blast. We've started a bunch of fires, and they've been a fun thing to have around the house. So we've ordered a few of them because you do go through them quite quickly. They're obviously made for survival experiences. So, but we love just having them around the house to play with them. So I would highly recommend buying some of these and experiencing starting a fire from steel and flint.